Formulated Materials believes that safety should be the #1 priority on any job site. Please take the time to understand and follow any OSHA or state guidelines that relate to the work at hand. Formulated Materials strongly recommends that all balconies be inspected according to the pre-mobilization checklists we provide for our licensed dealers. This should be done a few days prior to the mobilization to allow the GC time to correct any deficiencies. On the day of installation, crews will then double-check each balcony to ensure any issues have been addressed. Before beginning the installation, thoroughly inspect the deck to ensure that proper slope has been maintained. Recommended slope is 2% or 1/4 inch per foot. Confirm the door and bulkhead have been framed correctly and the sill is installed and is the correct height. If building wrap is present, confirm that it has been folded up and out of the way before beginning the installation to ensure proper shingling. We recommend this be done by the subcontractor that is installing the building wrap. Thoroughly examine any seams and the perimeter edges to ensure that horizontal to vertical surface transitions are correct, with no large voids or protrusions, and the OSB sheathing is in good condition. Horizontal seams should be flush and there should be no large gaps. The substrate should be dry and sufficiently warm to receive the waterproofing materials. Examine all surfaces to be waterproofed for any protruding nail heads or fasteners. If any are found, drive them flush with the surface before beginning installation. If railing embeds are present, confirm that they have been installed correctly and adequate distance from the edge of the balcony has been maintained for proper installation of the elevation embed pans. Finally, sweep the balcony thoroughly to remove dust and debris. Following these steps on every balcony before any work is done will help to increase the efficiency and the quality of every installation.